Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone is unlocked, the SIM supports international roaming, and your account has roaming enabled. Call your carrier if unsure. Once done, charge the device above 50% and connect to Wi-Fi so you can download any carrier app or update settings safely. Make sure you note the carrier APN details and your account number before changing settings. These prerequisites prevent surprises and let you move straight into system configuration without losing service or data. You now open Settings, tap Network and Internet, then Mobile Network to configure roaming. Toggle data roaming on, and if offered, choose the preferred network type such as 4G or 5G to balance speed and battery life. Next, tap Access Point Names and either select your carrier's roaming APN or create a new one. Fill name, APN, MCC, MNC, and APN protocol exactly as provided. Once saved, select that APN. These steps ensure your phone registers correctly with foreign networks and transmits data. You finish by restarting the phone so the new settings register with local networks. After reboot, confirm you see signal bars and a data icon like 4G or LTE. Then perform a quick test, load a web page or send a message to verify connectivity and watch your carrier app for roaming usage to avoid unexpected charges. If data fails, toggle airplane mode, wait 10 seconds, then reselect network operators manually. If still stuck, contact your carrier with APN and SIM details for immediate support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.